Good morning, gorgeous. It's about 9:30 in the morning right now. I've been having a chill, relaxed morning, and I'm just picking out an outfit right now. I think I'm gonna go with this. I just need to put a bra on, you know? I need to make my bed. You know, this is a look. I might just make this more polished, but this might be my look today. So many things have happened since I uploaded my last video. One, my camera broke, so I'm currently filming on Alyssa's camera. She got a new camera, so she's like, borrow my old one until you get yours fixed. But I have filmed so many videos these past 3 weeks. Then my camera broke. The screen literally detached. It didn't just unscrew and it still works. Like, no, it detached, it's frozen, it's RIP dead right now. That day it broke, I was filming a day in the life of a makeup artist video. If you've kept up with my videos, you know that I tried to film this once before and it just doesn't seem to work in my favor. And I think the reason is because it's like you want to put your focus on your work, not the vlog, you know, like that's the priority first. So I hope you understand. Anyway, today I only have one client. I'm freelancing in a salon today. After that, I'm meeting with Alyssa and Haley, and we're gonna work on putting up a Content Blonde website. But right now, we need to do this hair and this makeup and get ready for work. All right, my head's a little cut off. Hope you don't mind, doesn't matter. It's not a piece of art there anyway. I've got my Woman on a Mission mug. This is not normally where I do my makeup. I usually do my makeup in my bathroom. I've been keeping my everyday makeup in just a simple makeup case. Sam, that's like what normal people do. I just have never done that. I just always have had it just like out or stored. It's never just been all in one place. So I am a happy girl. I'm gonna quickly just do my everyday makeup. I would love to time it this morning because one of the most frequently asked questions that I get when I'm doing a client is, how long does it take to do your makeup in the morning? Well, because I don't do a crazy routine or anything like that, my guesstimate, 10 minutes. 10:38 right now. Let's do this. I won't talk through it either because I want it to be like as if I was just doing this by myself without you watching. Oh my god, this brush is broke. That's happened to me with a lot of IT Cosmetics brushes. Like the glue, they don't use strong glue apparently, and I'm really upset about it. Of course, I didn't do mascara yet. My mascara is in the kitchen, so I'll just like add on another minute. So about 15 minutes to do my makeup. Let me go grab my mascara and I will be right back. Now, you may be wondering, why does everyday makeup take 15 minutes? And why does professional makeup take like an hour to sometimes, I mean, certain celebrities, like 2.5 hours? And simply for the reason, everyday makeup, you're skipping so many techniques. I didn't do brow gel today. I didn't contour with creams. All of that saves time. Also, this style of makeup is not meant for camera per se. If I were to get flash photography right now, you would probably see through this, even though possibly on camera, on a video, like a point and shoot video like this, you might not see certain things. When I'm doing, let's say, bridal makeup where there's gonna be flash photography, there's a lot of little layers that go into it so that the camera does not pick up on certain imperfections. There's all different timelines for certain styles of makeup. Okie dokie artichoke. I'm gonna kind of work with what we have here today. So I have tape extensions. If you didn't know, they are in currently, so you'll see like one popping through here. First things first, we need to make sure that those are covered. Pull some hair down here. Amazing, now we're fully covered. What I love about this look is it's a very done undone situation. So I'm gonna like attempt a braid first, but it's very loose because I'm not a hairstylist. I am a makeup artist, but we do what we can sometimes. Amazing, okay, great. Is that a true traditional, flawless, amazing braid? No, it's not. I know it, you know it, yeah. Because we just want it loose, and now I'm gonna just do a little bun, pin the bun. Happy with that. Okay, my tape is showing. So what I'm gonna do is, instead of just redoing that look, I'm just gonna pull this down to separate that a little bit. Okay. Judge the bottom of this. Movable hold from Brocado. What I do is I take a 1.5 inch iron. And I take kind of small sections. Basically a 1.5 inch iron is not going to be so structured. It's actually going to be a very loose wave. By the end of the day, this falls. I just do kind of smaller sections, and then some of them I'll do towards my face. We'll shake it out. I'm going to do the same thing to the rest of my hair, and I'll be back in a second. I'll be back in a second to do stuff. Woo! This happens in life. This is actually a great thing that happened, because so what just happened? I got a call from the salon that I was going in for a client, and they called and said the client canceled. So why does that make me smile? Because I think this is a great talking point to share with you if you are a makeup artist or if you're in a service industry where a client can cancel. Now, one, this is a freelance job, so it's out of my control. Two, obviously, if you are a freelance artist, to cover yourself, you have a cancellation policy. This salon might not have one. I'm not particularly sure of this specific salon's policy. I don't take it to heart from the salon that hired me that like, oh, I'm not getting paid, I set aside this time. I don't think like that. I have the mentality that like everything happens for a reason. That's why it's very important in your contracts and your agreements with people that you have some sort of cancellation policy, because this is the thing, and this is something that I can even educate clients as well, that most of the time a makeup artist is reserving their time slot for you that day. That's why you give them a deposit, because they're reserving their time in their schedule for you. For example, like right now at that time slot that you canceled for, I could have potentially booked someone. So that just gives a better understanding. I'm so relaxed in cancellations because I just understand like life isn't certain all the time. I also, in my spiritual practice, understand that I'm meant to be somewhere else at that time frame, whether it be doing something else, serving someone else, or even my client. My client may need to be somewhere else. I hope I'm making sense. Sometimes when I turn on the camera, I just like draw a blank. I'm glad I got to get ready this morning and give you a little hair tutorial. Now, what does this mean for my schedule today? I'm going to text Haley and Alyssa and let them know that I'm free earlier, which is amazing. And I get to wear a sweatshirt. Booyah! Okay, so update, the client is not canceled. Isn't that so crazy? That's how fast-paced this job is. Like 1 second, something's going on, the next second, something's going on. I've had days where I thought I was doing nothing and somebody would call and be like, I know this is so last minute, can you come and do my makeup? And luckily, like everything is ready to go and prepared, and then I'm able to do it. But that's how fast-paced this job is, for sure. So anyway, I'm happy I get to glam my girl up. My kit's all ready to go, everything's clean. Just gonna spray some perfume and then we'll be on the road. This is my kit for today. This bag is completely new. That one goes over my shoulder, and then in this bag, I packed like a mini kit. I'm always circulating items per the job, but this bag is so cool. It's actually a marker holder, and it holds all of my lipsticks, concealers, liners, all that jazz. Alyssa actually gifted me this guy. I was going to move my stuff over because this is kind of ideal for one person. It's just a small bag, and it's from MAC. I just took out all the tissue paper, and it has these clear bags. Ideally, I would have liked to bring this because it's smaller, but everything was already in this, organized super nicely, so I just unloaded what I didn't need for today, and we're just gonna use this. Let's do the glam thing. So one of the most important things I like to do before I do anyone's makeup or I'm in the presence of other people when it comes to work is to prime the mind. What that means is, you've probably seen this in another video, it just means to get rid of any negative thoughts, any anxieties, any stresses. Not that there are many. The quickest way to do that for myself is to listen to a bop, a jam, a feeling myself style song. A song that I've been loving is called Right Back by Khalid. And of course, my girl, Alyssa, Give It All to Me. So let's do that.
Got the weed, we can sit by the beach if you wanna get faded.
Alrighty folks, it's time to head into my job. I might just show the chair because obviously I want to respect everybody's privacy, the salon, the client. So if you want to see what goes on actually within the job, book an appointment with me. I'm going home now, and as I was packing up my kids, my pants split. I really love that I'm vlogging today because this is some real life stuff. Never in the past 8 years of doing makeup have my pants ever split. Oh boy, okay, so I'm glad I'm out a little bit early because now I can make a pit stop back home, change, and then go out to coffee and all that jazz. I'm like totally flabbergasted right now. I'm glad no one saw it. It was so nobody saw it, but like, dude, there's a hole from my to my cash comfy, yes. Oh wait, this looks different than I expected. Look a little mature. I'm just gonna change into regular joggers. That feels better. Seriously, the most gorgeous day. 71 degrees of beautifulness. What's up? Hi, I'm with Haley and Alyssa. Alyssa's across from me. New content, blonde fans, get ready. New website coming at you. Alyssa's editing her video that I previously like edited. I got it to where she needed it. Now she's doing her adjustments. Haley is helping me with my website. Sorry she's cut off. My tripod is a Blueprint organic juice. You thought I was kidding.
How's my camera been working for you?
Your camera's been a goddess.
Good. I'm glad I can help. I need to anything to get Sam to vlog.
Alrighty folks, it is 6:09. We had a successful work day. Oh, my bun is having fun. I didn't really get to talk much about what I wanted to on the way here because on the way to our meeting, I was in 40 minutes of traffic to somewhere that was 10 minutes away. Just want to share with you, I kind of have some takeaways from it because those 3 accidents, I only saw 2 of them, but I was in gridlock for literally 40 minutes. It's just a reminder to be more present. Like when you're driving, just be driving, be present, be in that moment, because 2 out of the 3 accidents that I saw were all, they weren't T-bones, they were all from behind. The car behind smashed into the car in front. I just want to encourage you today to be more present because that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put the camera away and just simply drive home because it's just not worth it. Anyway, last minute decided I'm gonna go to Alyssa's house and have dinner with her family, and I'm gonna go pick up Drew now. That's all for now. Hooray, I got my lovey! Aw, you smell really good.
Thanks.
Drew got in the car and he was like, did you hear what happened on so-and-so parkway?
So crazy.
And that was the parkway that had the accident.
There was a helicopter on there.
Yeah, so he saw it coming back from work. He saw a helicopter picking up whatever happened, and it's just like so terrifying. So anyway, isn't it funny how I ripped my pants, I had to go home, and then I didn't even say this to the vlog, but when I got in my car, I had to run back upstairs because I left my phone. If I would have left any later or any sooner or didn't have that delay, who knows what happened. So I just want to say thank you to my guardian angels for always protecting my ass.
Yes.
Love you so much.
We need Sammy in this world.
I love you.
Love you.
So yeah, we're gonna go have dinner with Zane and Alyssa and their family.
We're eating pupusas.
It's pupusa night.